Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an email subscription box to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. This is a simple yet powerful way to stay connected with your audience and grow your email list. First, open your web browser and go to your WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll be taken to the login page. For a smooth experience, choose the option to log in with your Google account. Select the account you want to use, and you'll be inside your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Settings menu. This is where you control the features of your website. In the settings, look for the newsletter or email subscription section. This is the key area for adding your subscription box. Once you're there, find the third option from the top and make sure it's enabled. This activates the subscription box on your website. Double check that you've selected the correct settings so everything works properly. After that, scroll down and hit the Save button to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your email subscription box is now live, ready to capture emails and keep your visitors updated. Take a moment to review your settings from time to time to ensure everything stays up to date. Adding this simple feature can make a huge difference in engaging your audience and growing your online community. So go ahead, set it up, and start building your email list today.